action.
Hey, you're already good at this. Wow. So you keep wanting to know what I want to talk about. Well, I'm not going to tell you what I want to talk about. I'm just going to talk about it. Okay. So, it's Gen 5 system. Yeah. Direct injection pumps. Yeah. What I want you to do is make what we call poly for secondary fuel. Okay. I think we can do that for you. It's just a matter of camp. Well, you already know. Yeah. When you guys are building the harness, if you made it for it actually dominator or Terminator X Max or anything like that. That way you use the Gen 5 GM computer to do all your drivability stuff. Yeah. The problem with these Gen 5s is fuel. When you start making 750 more horsepower, like my one truck is 30% fuel max with nothing. Sure. That sucks. Because as soon as you're out playing around, and I know I've been there, you stand on it 3 times, you run out of ethanol when you're out on the street. You're not going to the gas station to get it. But on the secondary fuel system, this is what I want to do to the car that I was telling you earlier. And we're going to start something harness.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we could definitely accommodate that. And basically, we could modify.
We don't want to tell the secret.
Yeah.
We just want to sell it.
Sure.
We don't want to tell the secret because you and I both know this is not that hard to do. Yeah. But most people can't. And everybody wants to plug and play.
Yeah. I mean, and that's what we've been about for years. Is plug and play, wire it up, fire it up, 4-wire hooked up.
Just like this deal.
Yeah.
Now, everybody knows Holly is one of my main people in the back that's why I'm here at LA.
Sure.
But the 105 harness, you're familiar with them, right?
Yeah.
That's what I use. Most people pull out a 105 harness, see all them wires, they're like, so they buy the plug and play one.
Yeah.
The problem with the plug and play one is it's a big bulky mess.
Yes.
There's
a lot of self harnesses and things like that on there. This streamlines that.
But you guys need to make it to where they can plug it into the fireplace.
Yeah. Yep. Definitely possible. We got right now we use the sliding bonus here, which is something that we've been doing for the last 20 years. Basically 4 to 5 feet of length from the back of the cylinder down to everything under the dash. In this case, this is our new Holly harness that you've seen before already. We took the same layout of our standard PSI harness, and now we just plug it right into a Terminator or a Dominator. Much more clean install.
Well, yeah. Have you guys ever thought about making a?
Yeah. So we've done it with cannon plugs before. We've done that on my partner's race truck fan lines, where we've done 2 cannon plugs going through the firewall.
Now somebody can order it as an option.
Right now it's not available, but it is something that's in our pipeline.
So if you can integrate this one, put 14 up, because the other part of that is you can have run foil label.
Yeah.
Have stuff or you can have a transmission controller and use the same fuel. So this you guys basically simplify. Yeah. Because everybody knows I'm a huge Holly person. Those harnesses are big. Now for the end user that doesn't do wiring, it's a great deal.
Totally plug and play.
So what is retail on this harness?
Retail on this harness right now is $7.
What about your plug and play deal for a Gen 5?
The Gen 5, just the harness, you're at $12.50.
Now, can they order everything, the computer and everything?
Yeah, we sell it as a kit as well. In varying applications. It goes anywhere from $18.99 to $2,200, depending on transmission and accessories.
What about the tuning?
Tuning, base tunes come with it. That's part of the deal.
So if they have let's say they put a 230, 50 duration camshaft in, you guys adjust the tune?
As long as it's base tunes, as long as it's under 230 or 50, our base tune will get you running. And then once it's in the car,
we'll make clear. PSI don't do tuning.
We don't do performance tuning now because every application is different.
But if you make that so they can plug a Holly, they use this all for the drivability and they do their own tuning.
Absolutely. So this is our classic intake setup. So basically what this is an adapter setup that we came up with where you have a Gen 4 engine and you want that classic look. All you do is pull your stock intake off, you can purchase the intake, fuel rails, and injectors, or just the adapters.